What's up you guys, Simeon Little here from Man of God Photography, and today I'll be showing you how to change your camera's time for daylight saving time, and I'll be showing you on an older Canon model, a Fujifilm FinePix camera, a Gopro, and a Samsung camera. And yeah, so let's get into it. Alright you guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is turn your camera on. Go into menu. Go to your settings menu here. Go to date and time. You're going to go over and set it forward or backward depending on what time it is. And then go all the way down and click OK. And you click your menu again, and then you're ready to shoot. So that's the Canon camera. Alright, now for the Fujifilm camera. What you're going to want to do is click the menu button, which is in the center here. Go click left and then down. Click enter or OK button, and then it's right there at the top. Click OK or move right, and then set your time accordingly. And then click OK. And just click your back button. Then you shoot like normal. That's it for the Fujifilm. Alright, now we have the GoPro. You're going to turn it on. Go into its menu by pulling down on the drop down menu. No, down. There we go. And then clicking preferences, general. Scroll all the way down to time, and then change it accordingly. And then click the check mark. Then you just get out of your menu, pull up the drop down menu, and then that's it. GoPro turn off. And last but not least, the Samsung. You want to turn it on. Switch your mode dial to settings. Go down to general. Well, this is a touch screen, so you could just click, go down where it says to set date and time, and then turn daylight saving time on or off, depending on which. Then click OK. And then that's it for the Samsung. Then you just go back to whatever mode you want, and then shoot like normal. Okay, that's it. Alright you guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't have a Nikon model to show you how to set this time on, but if one of you guys out there has a Nikon camera, would you be kind enough to put it in the description for everybody else on how to change your time for daylight savings time in the description below. But I do have to say, keep all your comments clean. Yeah, keep it G-rated and everything like that. So, and I guess that's it. So I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one.